Hello Cancerians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you and your person. So on one side will be your energies, on other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap your sides according to your situation. Okay. And as these are general readings, they won't be resonating with each and every one of you. Okay, so let's get started. Let's see what's there for Cancerians. Okay, so we have the Three of Wands on your side. Nine of Wands on your person's side. Okay, let's see what's the most likely outcome. Four of Pentacles as the most likely outcome. So Cancerians, with the Three of Wands on your side, you are waiting for something. Here on your person's side also with the Nine of Wands, this person is also waiting for something. And the reason behind the most likely outcome is the Four of Pentacles. So it's all because both of you are holding back. Nobody is speaking, nobody is expressing. Perhaps both of you are waiting for the other person to initiate. And it's been quite some time that it's like that. Whatever the reason is, but both of you are closed off. Holding back, not expressing. I really don't know why are you not expressing. One more thing is I am getting one more picture. Maybe this person is interested in something else, too focused on something else. And this person is waiting for the other person to initiate, perhaps because this person is perhaps uh, busy with something else. No, anyway, let's see what we have as the clarifiers. Why is this Three of Wands here for Cancerians? Okay, we have the Queen of Wands, the Four of Wands, the Nine of Wands. Okay. Why is this Nine of Wands here for? Let's see, why is this Nine of Wands here for on your person's side? So here we have again the Four of Pentacles, the Six of Pentacles, and the King of Wands. Let's see, why is this Four of Pentacles here for as the most likely outcome? Six of Wands, the Eight of Cups, King of Pentacles. Okay. So yes, what I've said, I think that is, it's the same thing. This person really seems to be focused on something else, and that is why they're waiting. As I said, they're waiting for something, but I feel here is that they are focused on something else, not looking at you, but you are glued to them. You are watching their moves, you are interested in them, perhaps following on social media or whatever. You have your eyes on them, that when will they initiate, when will they look at you, when will they realize that you love them, when will they show their interest in you. But this person is busy with something else, because this person, now this something can be their career, this person can be their, this something can be their work. They are interested in something which their eyes are glued to. With the Queen of Wands, their eyes are totally focused on something, that's what I feel. And with the Four of Wands, they are celebrating, they are happy, because there is something which their eyes are focused on, and they are achieving it, and they are celebrating that victory of the achievement. And with the Nine of Wands, what I feel here is they are standing tall in their victory. That's what I'm getting. That is, uh, they have that, can be to some extent arrogance also, but yes, I am victorious, I am superior, I have done this, I have achieved this. Something of that sort is there, which makes them feel superior. That is there. Okay, and what I feel is it is because of the fact that this person has achieved. This person has achieved something, maybe recently, can be there after a lot of waiting on their side. This is what they have achieved, and they are happy. in those achievements, and really they are not even perhaps looking at you, not even aware of you. They are not looking at you because they are busy with something else. Something else has caught their attention. There is something more attractive to them in their life which they want to achieve, and they have achieved. They're happy with it, and they are feeling pretty confident. They are feeling tall, they are feeling superior, they are feeling to some extent arrogant, whatever it is. But that is their vibe. And over here, you are waiting from a longer time, from a gesture from them, from some sort of interest from them, that this person will show some interest. And when will this person show some interest? And here with the Four of Pentacles, with the Six of Pentacles, and the King of Wands, what I feel here is that with the Four of Pentacles, you have this thing close to your heart, but you're not showing them it. You have emotional value, you have sentimental value towards this relationship, but you are holding back. You really can't open up because this person is really not showing any interest. With the Six of Pentacles, you are in the energy of trying to balance or understand as to what should I do. Should I wait? Should I move on? Should I wait? Should I move on? Trying to balance it in your head, because I don't see any balancing with the relationship, because this person is, I don't see this person is actually investing anything over here in this relationship. It's you who is trying to balance it also in your head, balance it. As it's the only thing which I'm getting is you are just deciding as to should I wait or should I move on, type of a thing. That's what I'm getting. But you are holding it close to your chest. Or maybe you are also deciding to move on to some extent, because what you feel is that there is no point in investing, there's no point in saying anything. Maybe you are also trying to look away, because it is a transition for you. You are just in your head as to what should I do. And here with the King of Wands, what I feel here is you will be able to perhaps balance yourself. Let's see. Let's move on. I'll see what exactly this king, does it have to say something else, the King of Wands? Because the most likely outcome here, as I said, was the Four of Pentacles, closed off, not showing anything. And here, most likely outcome, we have the Six of Wands, the Eight of Cups, and the King of Pentacles. So with the Eight of Cups, someone is, and the Six of Wands, I think so. You are somebody here, as I said, is juggling, trying to understand should I wait and should I move on. What I feel here is that this person, you can be them also, is deciding to move on from this relationship, leaving it behind. And with the Six of Wands and the King of Pentacles, what I feel here is you're turning your back to this relationship and moving pretty confidently out of this negativity and a place where you're not valued towards someone else. That's what I feel, and that is what this King of Wands is. And here is the King of Pentacles. Once you are able to walk away from this relationship, I think you will feel very happy about it. Whosoever has to walk away, this person is walking away feeling liberated, feeling happy, and leaving everything behind pretty confidently. So once you are able to realize that this person is not valuing you, this person is not putting in the effort, this person is not investing in you, this is the decision you will take, and you will emerge stronger, wiser, and perhaps this can be the energy of other person who may be there in your vicinity or may not be there in your vicinity yet, but there is definitely somebody whom you are walking towards. Yeah, we have the Three of Pentacles, the Hermit, the Eight of Wands, yeah, the Hierophant, again the King of Pentacles. This was the Knight of Pentacles, sorry, I spoke in King of Pentacles. Then the King of Pentacles, the Three of Cups. So what I feel here is Three of Pentacles, the Hermit, this person is walking out. Somebody here is walking out of the relationship because this person doesn't feel valued. This other person is really not interested. You are trying to seek some sort of solitude in the sense that you just want to detach from the situation, investing with your family and friends. With the Eight of Wands, what I feel here is that with the Eight of Wands followed by the Hierophant, King of Pentacles and the Three of Cups. What I feel here is you are moving away and detaching yourself from this relationship and moving towards something which is more passionate, somebody who is more passionate about you. King of Wands, the Eight of Wands, what I feel is the fire over here in the center. This is somebody here who is more passionate towards you, or you feel more passionate towards them, and this person with the King of Pentacles is also quite stable, quite sort of dependable. And with the Three of Cups, again what I see is you're turning your back towards this relationship, moving on towards somebody new, and being happy, celebrating, content. That's what I feel, Cancerians. You will obviously, if somebody is really not putting in the effort, what will you do? How much time you will wait? Because I think you've already waited enough. It's been more than 6 months to a year, or even many years, that you've been waiting for a commitment from this person. At least this person should observe that you are there. At least they are not even giving you a shit, honestly. Let's see what is the guidance from the angels. Anyway, these two cards have come off. I'll take them. Have faith and spiritual connection. Okay, number 12 or number 27 may be of some significance for you. Have faith. Trust your faith in this situation. You need to understand that if whatever is happening for good. If it is meant for you, it will be. If it is not meant for you, it won't be. So have faith. Spiritual connection. A relationship has a connection that goes beyond this lifetime. So this is you should need to understand that there is a relationship which has a connection actually, and that is what you will be moving towards once you are able to release yourself from whatever is holding you over here. Maybe the connection, you are investing so much in this person, you are focused so much on this person because you feel this person is right for you, and they are not even giving a shit, not living, even looking at you, and they are happy in their own life. The worst part is they are happy with whatever they are doing. Okay, least bothered about what feelings you have. So just have faith. This newer connection is a proper connection for you, is the right connection for you. That's what I feel, because I don't see anything changing over here on this path. It is a spiritual connection. Just have faith. It will come your way. It will come your way. You will find your right person. Okay, Cancerians. So that's all I have. Hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel, and let's meet in the next video. Bye.